And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is James Henderson, coming to you live. So what's going on today, folks? We've got a lot of great stuff going on right now. So with the Bitcoin market is on the rise. I think we've seen a bottom from a technical analysis point of view. And my dog just chewed up a chair. Yeah, that's right, the female Great Dane. I was doing recording. I heard something chew, and yeah, it's not a pretty sight. So, anyways, I digress. Um, that's the life of having a dog. Oh well, what do you do? What else is going on? Well, let's get to the markets. All right. So as you can tell, we've got a lot of buying, we got a lot of selling, which is awesome, awesome to know about. We're making a killing. And the neat thing about my platform compared to everyone else's, I don't put your money into a little black box and saying that you're making money. It's between you and the market. All right? So it's just like when you click on orders of your own Bittrex account. That's weird. You actually see the completed orders that are that are done. So this is how you make money. You just buy and sell, or you can do this on your own. What do you mean on your own? Well, see, once again, I made a trade at 6. I started at 6 p.m. Started at 4 a.m. Started at 6 p.m. Started at 6 a.m. Did one, bought one at 12 a.m. And you can do this on your own. That's true, which is no big deal, folks. But or you can have a bot do it. So, anyways, let's get started with the show, shall we? So we now know that the Bitcoin is tearing up the market at the time of writing. It was $9,844. So with a gain of 10.7% for the last 24 hours. So more than $1.3 billion worth of Bitcoin were exchanged on the Bitcoin USD markets, representing 25.7% of the shares, while Japan was beating us again at 48.2% of the shares. The Ethereum price rose over 9.2% over the past 24 hours and currently sitting at $943. And of course, America was representing over 32% of the shares, market shares. So the Commodities Future Trading Commission is basically stating that Bitcoin's here to stay. So with all the futuristic visions of regulatory oversights, as it continues to improve and mature, trying to adopt the system to meet regulations as an afterthought is often costly and inadequate. So in other words, for everyone who's starting a business and after doing a lot of educational guesses, thinking they need to be a part of the blockchain and they need to build their blockchain or their business on top of the blockchain, then now is the best time to do it, because trying to do it after the building's built is going to be extremely difficult. All right? So Moody's Bitcoin volatility won't hurt the CME risk rating. So everyone's worried about, whether or not the CME groups can be around ever since they announced that Bitcoin futures was out. And of course, with the high volatility in the market, it's definitely good to go. So I've talked about in the past that Western Union might not be here much longer. Well, guess what? They've changed their business model, and they're using Ripple as far as the blockchain. It's on trial, but we'll see what happens. And of course, the state of crypto. So Bitcoin is up 10.71% at $9,844. Ether is down 1.78% against the Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash is down 1.76% against the Bitcoin, while Ripple is down 0.87% against the Bitcoin. Zcash is down 6.03% for the day against the Bitcoin, and of course Litecoin is up 15.24% against the Bitcoin. Dash is down 1.55% against the Bitcoin, and IOTA is up 2.51% against the Bitcoin. I've always been I'm real interested in what's going on with IOTA, because my whole life has been in automation. And, some people say, yeah, you can write one program to automate everything. And I'm thinking, no, you can't. I'm into technology. Ether Classic is down 13.15% against the Bitcoin, and Monero is up 2.2% against the Bitcoin. So that's always, good news. Well, that's pretty much what I got today, folks. We have an awesome day of trading. Got a lot of programming still ahead of us, and we'll see what happens. So from all of us here at Malairte Bitcoin, your high frequency trading firm, the firm that doesn't hide your trades and claiming that you made money, then like I said, we're good to go. So y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to y'all later. All right, bye-bye.